Okay? Kapag ang tubig, sa madaling kwento, kapag ang tubig hindi malinaw, yan ay na-out sa river system. It has a big content of methane. Malaki ang content ng methane. Next slide. So, we integrate biomethanations and reverse osmosis under the green transition in order for us to solve a lot of problems. Okay? Sige, next slide. Dali natin ng konti. We will just be giving to them a copy of the slides. So, I think you know this. Nasa water sector po kayo. I'll be giving you a copy. Okay, next slide. Next slide. Next slide. Okay, next slide. Next slide. Medyo gutom na yung ating mga kasama. Nadali ako ng konti. Next slide. Next slide. Yun. Dito tayo mag-usap. Sino po ang kailangan ng pera na mangutang sa bangko or sa luwa, sa kamay? Marami. Isa sa problema sa pangungutang, yung cost of money. Having a good feasibility study using just transition of technology, using ITI, impactful, transformative, inclusive way of doing it through capacity building of our people, then you can have this voluntary carbon offsetting under Article 6 of the Paris Convention. Ano pong ibig sabihin yan? Ang ibig sabihin yan, di ba, gagamit na tayo ng green technology, dahil doon, magkakaroon tayo ng carbon capture. We call it carbon avoidance. If there is a carbon avoidance, we have ways and means on how to calculate it, on how to make analytical computation using IoT, Internet of Things, using blockchain. That is why, together with this, we will be using a platform powered by a blockchain, powered by the Internet, powered by innovative technology. And we will be inviting the whole family of Lua family, the water sector, to engage in this platform. You ask me why? Bakit? Bakit? Yun po yung topic na binigay sa akin, digital transformation. If we will be managing everything digitally, in this digital world, ladies and gentlemen, please remember this, it will become immutable. Meaning to say, alas 12 ng gabi, tignan mo kung ano ang carbon dioxide, tignan mo kung ilan na ang metric ton mo, tignan mo kung ikaw ay mayroong losses, etc. This is on time, immutable. Transparent, makikita na nagpangutang ng bangko kung gaano kaganda ang flow ng negosyo. At the same time, uncorruptible using blockchain ledger. Ano bang kagandahan no? Because of the best practice brought by digital transformation, then your platform, your business, your industry is not only confined within the four corners of your offices. It will be brought to the whole universe of business industry. Ano mangyayari doon? It's immutable, transparent, open, public, uncorruptible. You will be then catalyzing climate investment. Doon papasok yung mga philanthropies na bibigay ng mga grants. Doon papasok yung mga investors na gustong sumali po sa inyo. By means of using platform. At doon papasok si carbon offset if we have digital platform. Okay po ba yun? Okay po ba yun? At hindi na ho kayo mahihirapan din kung paano ang pag-explain because the platform will be the one explaining everything for you. And that's what we call the modern digital management brought about by AI, IoT, and blockchain. This is what we call voluntary carbon offsetting mechanism. And there will be a time na lahat ng gastos ninyo mayroon lang gagastos simply because they love what we are doing. This is part of the catalyzing climate finance under Article 6 of the Paris Convention na kung saan narinig nyo ang ating chairman, ang Presidente Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos. Ang sabi niya, bakit pa naman kami ang magsasakripisyo ng mga iba't ibang mga abnormal na dulot ng climate change. Ito ay gawa ng mga mayayamang bansa. That is true. And that is why we are waiting for financial and technology mechanism coming from the rich country to our developing country.